sa'yo kita, sir, ano ba yung feeling mo itong araw na tayo?
Ngayon?
Oo.
Kala ko hindi nakakakaba.
Hi, my name is Marjorie. CEO of CEO of Telework PH. Kunwari may pinag-usapan tayong nakakatawa.
We started kasi na as in wala talaga, di ba? Bigla kami nagkaroon ng chance to put up the company. Nung nag-pandemic, nawala talaga halos lahat ng meron kami, we almost let it go.
Talagang akala ko mawawala na yung company. He was always there to support me through the trials kasi part of that is being diagnosed with depression, ganyan. So, alam mo yung lahat ng burden, lahat ng pag-iintindi.
Nung time na yun, I would admit hindi ako maka-Diyos. Pero I really talk to God.
Blessed talaga to have a partner like him by my side.
At some point in time, I prayed for someone na, makasama mo ng ganito. Me and Marge, we've been 11 years together, but nakakaba pa rin pala taga pag ikakasal ka.
Sobrang blessed. I would say, sobrang grateful din ako kay Lord kasi for years na, alam mo yun, I never thought that I would end up, marrying him.
And yeah, sobrang saya. We've been talking about this for a couple of years, pero yun, daming challenges, daming mga nangyari. Pero yeah, we're still here, choosing to be together.
11 years in the making eh. So, alam mo yung minsan mapapa-question ka na parang matutuloy ba to? Mapupunta ba to sa simbahan? Ganyan. Well, si Lynn kasi, sabi ko nga sa kanya, para siyang guardian angel ko eh. Kasi parang no matter what happens, siya talaga yung protector, siya talaga yung nagbibigay ng direction. And marami kasi akong gini-give up na bilang as a strong, independent woman dati. Ano ba? Diyos mo, marami. So, marami tayong trauma. But, at the end of the day, siya talaga yung nag-release ng feminine side ko and very soft side.
At kung ipipinta ko ang pag-ibig sa'yo, ito ay kulay na hindi
We were both working online. Ako, web developer at that time. And then siya, HR siya ng company.
Nag-submit ako ng resignation. Lahat sila, they would say, oh, we don't want you to leave, ganyan-ganyan. Why are you leaving? Ganyan-ganyan.
Tapos, nag-send ako ng smiley lang.
Actually, laughing icon pa nga eh.
Siguro, nahook niya yung attention niya.
Na-offend ako, sabi ko, bakit ka nagsasend ng laughing icon? Anong ibig sabihin nito?
Tapos after that yun, nagkausap na kami.
I got interested in him. To be honest, ako pa nga yung unang nanligaw eh.
Pag hindi na makahinga, kung ipahiram ko ng isang araw ang mata ko, malalaman mong sa biro ang tingin ko sa'yo ikiyas para sa akin. Depekto hindi kayang hanap.
Minsan may mga challenges na, alam mo yon, paggising mo, hindi mo maramdamang mahal mo siya, but you get to choose this person to be with you no matter what happens. So, yeah, unconditional love. Just like what Jesus had for us.
Handa akong masuktan kung kapalit ang may malaya kang mahal. Kung may napropesya, ikaw ang dakilang rason. Ba't ako ginawa aking magsihinda?
Love, thank you so much for loving me, loving our family, and choosing our family kahit na sobrang hirap ng mga pinagdaanan natin in the past. As I always say, hindi nga natin alam kung paano natin nalampasan yun, but let's just stay together until forever.
You may now kiss your wife, Marjorie.
At naganding karatigan mo, nag-alok na naman lahat ng lakas. Kahit lahat ay mawala na, handa ako
I love you with all my heart.
kung
And I know, you know, na very sincere and very genuine.
mahahagan.
Lahat ng nararamdaman ko for you.
Tunay na
Yung mga pangarap natin together. I'm so blessed na
rason
nangyayari na rin lahat. I love you with all my heart. I love you so much.
aking oksihin. Pag hindi na